We measure nothing, yet accurately. From space to the smallest particles, from Passau, Germany, to the world, where innovation becomes reality. Every industry, powered by vacuum technology, ensuring purity in pharmaceuticals, advancing science with precision instruments, supporting microchip production worldwide, enabling the future of quantum technologies, innovating surface coatings, optimizing chemical processes, keeping food fresh and safe, driving renewable energy solutions, empowering clean and efficient mobility, inspiring the next generation of innovators. Vacuum metrology instruments for unlimited applications. Innovative measurement technology. On the road to the future, compact, precise, analog, digital, durable, intelligent, with interfaces like EtherCAT, Profinet, and RS485. Solutions for numerous vacuum processes. Innovation engineered in Germany. In-house research and development department with more than 55 years of expertise. Software development designed for our devices. In-house manufacturing made in Germany. Precision down to the smallest detail. Ready to be shipped worldwide. Service tailored to your needs. Corporate responsibility. Today for a better tomorrow. Internationally recognized certifications and a global distribution network. We measure nothing, yet accurately. From 2000 HPA to 10 to the minus 11 HPA,